plants that they made here. Sangeeta Mandapa, Kalyana Mandapa, Garuda Mandapa, that is the Bhajana Mandapa, Sangeeta Mandapa.
Bhajana Mandapa.
So you can see edge of the Sangeeta Mandapa, the roof दिख रहा है आपको, देखिए pagoda से दिख रहा है. So that is not our Indian architecture. That's a Chinese architecture.
Where? Which one?
The pagoda.
This.
Yeah, like that.
Okay.
So that is not our Indian because that is a Chinese influence here. Because how come Chinese architecture in Hampi? Because in 1500, one of the famous traveler here, Owen Song, he was in Hampi, and during the construction time, he just gave the idea to the local people and made that plan is here.
Okay.
Because not only Krishnadevara time, he welcomed all the religious people in Hampi South. Because this is international place. Lots of people here, travelers, traders. So that's why they are also cultural. And they can see the architecture, and they also our culture. They also learn our culture here. So they are a mixture of cultural here. So that's a mixture of architecture here. So you understand, no?
Huh?
Yeah.
So, sorry, what?
You understand what I'm saying?
Definitely.
So here, another beautiful structure here. It was both sides. वो साइड में पूरा कट हो गया सर. इस साइड में अभी भी है सर. This is completely made out of one stone.
Okay.
Single stone है sir.
और सही है.
Yeah, it's a different animals on this rock here. You can see the eyes like a dragon, mouth is a lion, trunk is elephant.
Oh, this is trunk.
Trunk is elephant.
Okay.
Ear is a rabbit. The neck is again lion, and the body is horse.
क्या बात है.
So this is like it's a mythological animal because these animal is stronger than lion, stronger than tiger, and stronger than elephant.
All in one.
Sure. So this structure is here, the architecture. This one is not Indian architecture. Most of this Persian architecture. I met a lot of Persian people in Hampi, so very happy to be here. Even they saw the architecture because the
I think it satisfies all this Chinese, Persian, everything.
Because the Chinese, Persian, they are number one business people in Hampi, sir. Iranis. There are a lot of Iranis in 1600 in Hampi, sir. They're great business people.
Persian actually. Iran तो अभी है ना. Now it is called as Iran, है ना.
So they are Irani. Persian or Iranis?
Yes.
So there are people all here.
Earlier it was named as a Persia.
Yeah.
Later.
That's why it's called Persian, I told you.
Later it converted into the demographic.
Yeah. That's why I told you now it's used for word the Irani because they earlier used to be Persias.
Exactly.
And this one here, अभी मंदिर बनाते हैं, मंदिर बनाने के लिए हम स्केच डालते हैं. जो भी कंस्ट्रक्शन करते हैं हम लोग स्केच बनाते हैं. This is a temple map है.
ये
temple map है. It's a miniature of the temple है.
Miniature.
You can see the design. नीचे है ना सर, ये बेसमेंट दिख रहा है आपको. See the design same है इधर. इधर पिलर है, उधर भी पिलर है. सीलिंग उधर भी सीलिंग है. और ये उसके ऊपर है ना स्ट्रक्चर है ना. इट्स नॉट अ गोपुरा. इट इज कॉल्ड शिखर बोलते हैं. शिखर मतलब जो भगवान के ऊपर रहता है ना बिल्डिंग, वो शिखर बोलते हैं. ये गर्भगृह है. विष्णु का तीसरा अवतार है वराह, वाइल्ड बोर. So this is the also वराह और विजयनगरा रॉयल एम्बलम. जो विजयनगर का रॉयल एम्बलम वराह एंड सूर्य चंद्र जो नाइफ होता है और विजयनगर का रॉयल एम्बलम से राजमुद्री राजा लांछना बोलते हैं. सो नोज डैमेज हो गए सर बिकॉज जो भी खंडित होते हैं भगवान का जो भिन्न होते हैं हम लोग पूजा नहीं करते हैं. सो दैट्स व्हाई भगवान नहीं इधर. ओके एंड जो अभी इधर भी पूजा नहीं होते हैं लेकिन खंडित हो गए. जो खंडित होते हैं लेकिन पूजा नहीं होते हैं. इसलिए यू कैन कीप इट इन द फ्रिज.
I think the destroyer know this very well.
Yeah.
है ना?
So the people they know because once no Hindu statue is damaged,
they cannot worship, so they don't have to make hard work to destroy the whole idol.
That's why the already mandir hai sir. You can put it on another statue inside. But जो temple ruin होते हैं ना sir, ruin. People not allowed to do like that. Because now जब कुछ हो रहा है, already मंदिर है, कुछ नया मूर्ति प्रतिष्ठापन के लिए सोच, लेकिन I don't know that the people they are do or not. Because the ruins is ruins. So this is the Rajamudri and also this is the temple architecture. And around the temple of, around the Sangeeta Mandapa, you get all the Vishnu Dashavatara here. Because the Matsya is there. There is a Matsya. Kuruma.
Matsya means machli.
Machli, that's a fish.
Fish.
Because the life is start from the fish. And the fish and the turtle, Kuruma.
This is turtle.
Turtle.
Okay.
Second is wild boar. You saw that. And then the fourth is the lion, Narasimha.
Okay, all 10 avatars are surrounded. This temple is surrounded by that. Okay.
You know, almost Dashavatara temple in Hampi, but no statue inside.
But 10th is Kalki, na?
Kalki.
It is still awaiting.
He
na?
did not come. He did not come. Silky is on the way now. He's coming on the white horse.
Okay.
So, okay. The beliefs. So there is the Kuruma, Varaha, Narsimha, Vamana, Rama, Parshrama, Krishna. Even the Buddha also part of Hindu mythology.
some-
Buddhism, where does it start? Not in Nepal. The Buddhists start from India.
India, exactly.
And they're all shifted to
Bihar, na?
Yeah.
Mostly it is in
So
Bihar.
that's why the Buddha is also part of it. Now there is one temple, there is a story of Ramayana. Because how come Ramayana telling now this is story? That is not a story, sir. It's a history of Ramayana. Because the Ramayana starts from 7th century. Sorry, 7,000 years back.
7,000, yes.
Because, see, Ramayana's history not only happened in India, also Nepal. How come Nepal is? Because Nepal is Sita is from Nepal. Janaka Maharaj is from Nepal. And then and India that you know that Rama Ayodhya is from Rama, and then Hanuman is from Kishkinda, and then they went to Rameshwar, and then went Lanka. See, there is a Ramayana story not only happen in India, sir. You can go Sri Lanka, you can go Nepal, or you can go to Afghanistan, or you can go to Pakistan, or you can go to Cambodia, Malaysia, Bali. Because in Cambodia, there is
Angkor Wat.
Angkor Wat. Because Angkor Wat, one of the biggest ruined Hindu temple in the world.
It is made up of stone, no? Only single
Now
stone.
it's like similar like this. It's made of stone.
It's made from top to bottom.
Bottom, top to bottom. See, that temple is one of the biggest temple in the world. Not in India, it's in Cambodia. Because 10th-11th century, one of the Hindu Raja, Surya Raja Varma, he cut the more than 500-acre forest and they built the temple is over there. But now in 21st century, the Buddhist people occupied that place and put the Buddhist statues inside.
Acha.
You can see the Buddhist statues inside now.
Angkor Wat.
Angkor Wat.
Okay.
So then,
Earlier it was Shiva, I think.
no, Vishnu.
Vishnu, okay.
Vishnu temple.
Vishnu temple.
You can see around the temple of Angkor Wat. You see the panels carved like this.
Acha.
There you can see around Mahabharata and Ramayana is there in Angkor Wat. I'm not talking in India.
But it's not correct, na? That they put their own idols.
No. Actually, there is a. See, now you can go and see in Angkor Wat. I don't know been because I know some mystery about that Angkor Wat. So that's why I'm telling you. I don't know you people been on that. So it's a great temple complex. So it's fully ruins, but similar kind of ruins, like Pahad. But there is no river. I think there is some lake. But that stone is for the but very beautiful stones they put together around the temple of Angkor Wat there. So that's the Angkor Wat. And आप कल गया था वो अंजनाद्री पर्वत. And ये गया था कल आप?
ये कौन
ऋषिमुख
सा?
पर्वत.
ऋषिमुख.
ऋषिमुख. किष्किंधा में ऋषिमुख पर्वत आता है इसका.
अच्छा.
तो अंजनाद्री पर्वत, या ऋषिमुख पर्वत, वो वाली पर्वत, नालगोंड में तारा पर्वत, हम्पी में मतंग पर्वत, also in माल्यवंत पर्वत. ये जो पर्वत जो है,
All come in Kiskindha.
it's all connected from the Kishkinda.
Okay.
So उधर एक वानर रहता था, नाम है सुग्रीव.
हाँ.
सुग्रीव रहता था सर. उधर बड़ा गुफा है उधर सामने.
Okay.
वो उधर सुग्रीव, because सुग्रीव and वाली they are not living together.
हाँ.
उनके बीच में थोड़ा झगड़ा हुआ था, लड़ाई हुआ था, इसलिए वो वाली अलग होते हैं और सुग्रीव अलग होते हैं, इसलिए वाली आके उधर रहते हैं.
अच्छा.
when the Ravana जो Ravana came to India sir, जो सीता को अपहरण करके यहाँ से लेके टाइम में उस किष्किंधा से जाते हैं, and then she just dropped the jewelry here.
Jewelry, हाँ.
And jewelry कहाँ गिरते हैं? And ऋषिमुख पर्वत में गिरते हैं.
अच्छा, ऋषिमुख.
So that is the suddenly आके वो ऋषिमुख पर्वत में
So that is ऋषिमुख.
ऋषिमुख पर्वत. वो वानर रहता है ना सुग्रीव मिलते हैं सर. वो किसको क्या मालूम है वानर. And then they गुफा में छुपा के रखते हैं.
अच्छा, वो ज्वेलरी है.
Jewelry. And then finally Ram Lakshman came to Kishkinda.
अच्छा.
So Kishkinda हनुमान को परिचय होते हैं, हनुमान जी ने सुग्रीव परिचय करते हैं सर. And then जो मिला था ना राम को दिखाते हैं, लेकिन राम ने थोड़ा कंफ्यूज होते हैं.
लक्ष्मण पहचान.
लक्ष्मण को देख
Because every day they used to touch feet
You
of.
never see the director for the face.
Exactly.
The face, you know? And always you watching the feet.
And there was one more story when Hanuman came back with something which Sita used to wear in her hands.
Yeah.
Lakshman didn't recognize that, but Rama recognized that.
But Rama, but see, लक्ष्मण सीता को पेयर रिंग देख के आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं. देन राम को मालूम हो जाएगा. एंड देन उधर वाली सूरी को लड़ाई होते हैं आने गुंदे में. कल चिंतामणि गए थे
हाँ,
आप?
हाँ, हाँ।
उधर राम के पास देखे आप?
हाँ, हाँ,
So, राम ने उधर बाण मारा,
उधर से बाली को जो
फर्स्ट बाण
हाँ।
वांटेडली मिस करते राम ने,
अच्छा।
बिकॉज हुज वाली,
हाँ,
who's Sugriva,
हाँ,
राम
he-
को
he
नहीं
didn't
मालूम होता है।
recognize
Then Lakshman is called the Sugriva and there is a राम गुफा है उधर,
हाँ।
वो
उधर
राम का
माला
गुफा है,
पहनाते हैं ना उसको।
वो माला डालता है, so that is a राम गुफा है।
हाँ
So then identify करते हैं, again लड़ाई होते हैं, and finally Ram has killed the Wali and then killed the Wali is other side of the Tungabhadra river. Even today, where the Wali died,
हाँ।
that place is called Wali Kasta,
Wali,
Wali Ash. So even a lot of North Indian people visit here. They go, people go to that place. At least वो मट्टी लेके जाते हैं.
अच्छा
So एक गलत किया.
हाँ
Why is Rama is killed the Wali? Because Wali ने सुग्रीव को wife को अपहरण करते हैं.
But in Dwapar, Bali has taken the revenge, killing Krishna.
So even in other stories, there is so many I don't know, Ramayana story, अलग-अलग stories आते हैं. So there is story तुलसी रामायण होते हैं, वाल्मीकि रामायण होते हैं, लवकुश रामायण होते हैं, किष्किंधा रामायण होते हैं, युद्धकांड रामायण होते हैं. ये सब दिमाग में क्या हुआ? I don't know that, sir. हम लोग एज अ टूरिस्ट गाइड क्या कैसे बोल सकते हैं? हम एक गलती है, ये गलती है.
हाँ exactly.
ऐसा तो हम थोड़ा बैलेंस करके बताना पड़ेगा. किष्किंधा तो of course
No, but he has snatched Bali's wife, na? That sorry, Sugriv wife.
Sugri's wife,
हाँ,
roommate.
Bali. हाँ
That's why he put it in his kingdom.
हाँ बाली की वाइफ तो तारा थी.
तारा थी. So
That's why called तारा
तारा
पर्वत.
पर्वत. तारा पर्वत इधर है. So that is another exit here.
अच्छा.
There is Tungabhadra river, but now it's locked.
Oh, because many people used to go there, huh?
But now it's stopped. See, Ramayana, already people know Vijayanagara time mein.
अच्छा.
Okay, so they can see the carvings. So Sita, Ram and Lakshmana here.
Okay.
And there is a Jambavant.
Oh,
That's the bear here in this Kishkinda, Wali, Sugriva and all this. And there is a Tara and his wife, Wali and Wali's one Tara. And you just see this carving, it's beautiful. Bottom one, Sita is just sitting under the tree in Ashokavati in Lanka. And Hanuman आया था उधर.
Okay.
And this is a female demon because the Ravana is very smart. He didn't put male demon there. He put the female demon because it's Sita.
इसका नाम क्या था? इसका अशोक वाटिका में जो ये थी.
Yeah.
इसका नाम भूल रहा हूँ मैं.
And here is Hanuman is giving the ring for Hanuman. See, Ram is taking the ring from Hanuman. Lakshman उधर वो संजनी पर्वत लेकर जा रहे हैं.
त्रिजटा नाम था इसका. हाँ याद आ गया.
इधर आए. पूरा रामायण को पता नहीं बता सकते sir, but I'm just highlights are going to be what happened in Hampi. So here it's just again Hanuman here and again female demon here and there's a Kumbhakarna.
Okay. अच्छा कुंभकर्ण सो रहे
वो
हैं.
सब उठा रहे हो, सब घायलों ने उठा रहे हैं. And there is again this
अच्छा ये तो
Vibhishan start and Lakshmana and Vibhishan, Rama's brother,
ओके.
Ravana's brother.
हाँ.
And then and इसलिए वो राम हनुमान जी ने उठा के बाण मारते थे कि सीधा आगे रहे. See, these are carvings around 500-600 years back, sir.
ये अच्छा हनुमान जी ये उठाए हैं रामचंद्र जी को. ये किसको
No, राम जी नहीं, वो लक्ष्मण.
अच्छा लक्ष्मण जी. ये लड़ाई किसके बीच हो रही है?
वो विभीषण के साथ.
किसके साथ?
वो रावण ब्रदर विभीषण.
अच्छा विभीषण. हाँ हाँ ओके ओके.
ये बोला ना आपको, अब जो भी मंदिर में जो द्वार फलक होता है ना, जो विष्णु द्वार फलक होते हैं, ये जगह विजय है.
जय विजय.
हम कैसे बोल सकते हैं ये विष्णु द्वार फलक? बिकॉज ऑफ दिस इज जो व्हील एंड शेल
अच्छा.
जो पकड़ते हैं सर, दीज आर वेपन्स.
ओके.
सो दीज आर विष्णु. चक्र किसके पास रहते हैं? विष्णु के पास रहते हैं. दिस इज द व्हील
ओके.
एंड शेल रहता है. और हर शिव जी के सामने भी
नंदी
रहते हैं. द होल्डिंग त्रिशूल एंड डमरू.
अच्छा.
त्रिशूल इज आल्सो शिव जी का.
शिव जी. हाँ.
Also weapon. And this is wheel is weapon of Shiv Chakra for Vishnu. So that's the Garbhagriha.
अच्छा ये टेम्पल का गर्भगृह है. अच्छा तो मतलब ये सेम है पूरा.
नहीं सर, ये एक संगीत मंडप है.
अच्छा, वो संगीत मंडप है.
अलाउड नहीं है उधर.
ओके.
सो अभी हम लोग इसके पीछे हम लोग आ गए.
अच्छा.
सो दैट इज द गर्भगृह ऑफ विठला एंड रुक्मिणी
अच्छा,
देवी.
अच्छा.
आप काली पीठ देख सकते हैं. फेडरल स्टाइल देख सकते हैं लेकिन मूर्ति नहीं है.
अच्छा अच्छा.
So according to our South Indian panel architecture, that's a Garbhagriha,
Acha.
Antarala, Sukanasi, and this is a Mukha Mandapa, Navaranga Mandapa, Natya Mandapa, that's a Maha Mandapa,
Acha.
Sangeeta Mandapa, Garuda Mandapa, Kalyana Mandapa, Bhajana Mandapa, Gopura, and the Bazaar. These are our South Indian panel architecture.
Acha.
It's called Dravidian Temple Complex.
Dravidian
These are
temple.
Dravidian because we are South Indian.
Okay.
Because Dravidian Temple Complex. We don't have North Indian temple in Hampi. We have only South Indian. We call Dravidian temple, and they are mixture of architecture here. So there is a Vaisala, Chalukyan architecture, Islamic architecture, Persian architecture, and also military architecture, civil architecture. So they have some. Actually, this is like a university, sir.
University.
A lot of students they come from all over the world. A lot of all over the world. American student, Italian student. I also guide for them our Indian culture. So यूजली हम मंदिर जाते हैं, पूजा करते हैं हम लोग, एंड पूजा होने के बाद हम लोग परिक्रम करते हैं. इट्स आवर ट्रेडिशनल इंडियन ट्रेडिशनल. यूजली पीपल डू ऑन टॉप, बट हियर दे मेड अंडरग्राउंड हियर.
अंडरग्राउंड परिक्रमा.
परिक्रमा.
अच्छा.
दैट अंडरग्राउंड परिक्रमा इट इज ओनली फॉर बिलोंग्स टू सम इम्पोर्टेंट रॉयल फैमिली.
अच्छा.
तो पब्लिक बाहर करता था सर.
ओके.
रॉयल फैमिली अंदर जाके उधर परिक्रमा करता था सर. बट नाउ यू कैन गो एवरीवन नाउ. आई विल शो यू.
So there is a path.
Yeah, I'm sure. I'll take it. And where I'm standing here, this is the Mukha Mandapa or Natya Mandapa. This is completely fallen down.
अच्छा.
Recently 1985 में archaeological लोग ने फिर से वापस रखे हैं.
These are new stones, na? Newly.
The pillars are
are all old.
Sorry, yeah. Also there is a platform here, and this is supposed to be used for Natya Mandapa.
अच्छा.
Okay. We saw outside there is one bazaar, like Vitala market. There is several market in Hampi. Another market is called Achyutaraya Pete, Achyutaraya Bazaar, or Devadasi Street.
Pete means bazaar.
Bazaar.
Okay.
Achyutaraya Bazaar, Achyutaraya Pete, or Devadasi Street. Devadasi is a great dancer. Back in the days in 1500, a very respectable woman. They have a separate area here. That is the Devadasi. Those are ladies. They just come here and they're just performing in front of the god.
Okay.
Also, they're performing in front of the king because the king also like a god.
Like a
in
god.
those days. Because Krishnadeva got two wives.
Achha.
There is Chinna Devi and Tirumala Devi.
In
Chinna
Tenali
Devi-
Rama I have seen
Yes,
this.
Chinna Devi, she is a Devadasi.
Devdasi.
Yeah, she's a great dancer. She did dance with this instrument,
Achha.
and that's why Krishnadeva he liked and he get married here.
Oh.
But she is the low caste.
अच्छा.
Devadasi people almost
Devda-
become
low caste.
low caste people. And then another wife is also got Tirumala Devi here.
अच्छा.
She is a royal queen. But किधर भी जाओ South Indian में दोनों wife रहते हैं. Because he ruled entire South India. He did lots of contribution in entire Dakshin Bharat. You can go to Tamil Nadu, go to Andhra Pradesh, go to Odisha. So they're all we have a lot of contributions here.
अच्छा.
So that's why. But we have a record, sir. In 1 month, 2 times यहाँ से तिरुपति जा आता था.
अच्छा.
तिरुपति.
ओह.
तिरुपति जो
बालाजी.
भगवान है बालाजी.
हाँ.
कृष्णदेवराय का फैमिली गॉड.
अच्छा.
घर का भगवान था.
Okay.
We have records. यहाँ से उधर महीने में 2 बार जा आता था सर. कैसा people are traveling because now तो सब रास्ता है. अच्छा कार में जा
कार
सकते
है,
हैं,
हाँ,
ट्रेन
उसमें
जा
तो
सकते हैं,
horses
फ्लाइट
ही
में जा
होंगे.
सकते हैं. सिटी सब रास्ता पे जाना पड़ेगा. Not proper रास्ता. See, there's very narrow rasta, or traveling on the elephant, chariot, or horses. But they're not continuing traveling. There are some places that bidara डालते हैं.
Resting, हाँ?
Staying, tent डाल के. tent कहाँ डालते हैं? जो पानी रहते हैं उधर, जो किनारे लेक रहते हैं, नदी रहते हैं, वो बाजू में tent डाल के करके महीने में 2 बार जाकर आता था. See, I have all kind of books. Forgotten Empire, documentary here. So there is some books is here, and there is one about Krishnadeva only. The book is there because I am the diploma in tourism guide, sir.
अच्छा.
So I got a tourism diploma in university here near Hampi. It's called Hampi Kannada Vishwavidyalaya.
Okay.
I got a tourism diploma in that place, and I also after that I got a training from Intac. You know Intac, sir? Intac is a big company in India.
अच्छा.
Indian National Trust in Art and Culture.
अच्छा.
The Intac people do lots of work in wherever the old building is there.
Okay.
And finally I got a Karnataka tourism department.
Okay.
3 months course, and I'm doing authentic government of Karnataka tourism department.
Okay.
So there's so many books in Hindi, sir. Let's see now I can go inside. Again you can see Gaur Palaks here. Jaya Vijaya.
Jai Vijay.
One is here, one is missing, sir.
Oh.
हम नहीं बोल सकते आप किधर गए हैं,
हाँ।
बट इट्स मिस होगा इसमें। Vital also Krishna sir.
हाँ कृष्ण
Yeah, you see this? It's a baby Krishna.
Baby
sir.
Krishna.
He's so happy mood, sir. He ate one side butter पकड़ा है,
हाँ.
one side is just poached sir, pankanat है. So this is the babies eating butter and dancing here. And here, just sitting under the tree, the same guy Krishna, and that his mother is Yashoda here, and Krishna is busy with the both of hand, eating both of hands. So he's enjoying the makhan here. And top one, the Krishna is eating at the butter there. So we need butter now. You see the face is saddened.
अच्छा
See, 500-600 years back, people know about all the Krishna ऐसा था, Ram ऐसा था. They already know, sir. हम लोग कैसा बोलते हैं, it's a story. So that is the temple architecture
Okay.
on the Garbhagriha that is called Shikara.
शिखरा
I explained that temple, that miniature of that. That is Shikara is there. That's the bats one. Bat.
बैट
Bats. जो स्मेल आ रहा है आपको,
अच्छा
bats का है.
अच्छा चमगादड़ हाँ
Yeah. So that is the Pita here. Vittal and Rukmini Devi Pita here.
अच्छा
So in Maharashtra आप जाओ, महाराष्ट्र में Vittal अलग है, Rukmini अलग है, but here you can sit together.
अच्छा
So यहाँ से उधर शिफ्ट हो गए सर.
तो इसके ऊपर बैट्स हैं क्या ऊपर कई
है सर, लेकिन अब तो मेंटेन तो थोड़ा कम है. So okay this, but lots of temples horrible. ये प्रदर्शन के लिए नीचे जाके ऐसे जाके ऐसा आता है.
अच्छा वो जो आपने परिक्रमा बताई थी
अभी हम लोग नीचे है सर.
Okay.
के नीचे हियर. और जो भगवान का जो पूजा होने के बाद लोग इधर ऐसा आते हैं.
Okay.
बस उसी टाइम में लाइट तो चाहिए ना सर.
अच्छा
It's very small. They made a holes around
अच्छा.
this underground.
वाह
They made a hole जो इधर पानी में रखता था सर.
हाँ.
So उसी टाइम में जो सनलाइट जो होल से वो लाइट पानी में गिरता था.
अच्छा
जो लाइट पानी में जो गिरता है ना,
हाँ, reflect होता होगा.
reflect होता है and then get the full of
अच्छा
light.
पूरा ये
पूरा light
ओके
होता है.
वाओ
They use
नाइस दैट्स व्हाई दिस दे मेड दिस ना वाओ
Yeah, it's underground. Usually people do like this. People do like that now.
बट एक्चुअली दिस इज द करेक्ट वे क्लॉकवाइज नॉट एंटी क्लॉकवाइज
ऐसे बोला हुआ दिन ज्यादा रहता है रात से.
तो अभिषेक का टाइम में
अच्छा ये वाटर और मिल्क इधर से आता होगा
यहाँ से ड्रेनेज भी जाते हैं सर. होल है
Okay.
बाहर आने के लिए. तो जैसे वो ऑलरेडी वेरी वेल प्लान.
इधर है ये रहता है. मैं उधर
ಪೋರ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲು ಹೋದ್ರೆ
Only you can see the pitas. देखिए जाना तो स्लिप होते हैं तो ऊपर he doing gymnastic.
क्या है?
He is doing some exercise
अच्छा अच्छा
like a wrestling type
ओके
and he doing cutting fruits here. कृष्णा जी हेयर स्टाइल कैसा था इधर देखिए कृष्णा हेयर स्टाइल हेयर्स कैसा स्टाइल से बनाया था इयरिंग भी डाला है और इधर देखिए हेयर स्टाइल चाइनीज कैसा है
हाँ हाँ
ये देखिए दिस इज वन ऑफ द अनदर रॉयल एम्बलम ऑफ द Hoysala.
अच्छा
So before Vijayanagara,
Okay.
the man is killing the tiger.
फाइट
The fight. The man is killing the tiger. That is the royal emblem of the Hoysala.
ओह
Cholaka royal emblem also.
दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड होयसाला बिकॉज़ ही हैज
Hoysala.
होयसाला हाँ Like that.
You've been that place?
No, not really.
Actually, there is a famous temple.
Acha.
Most of the Hoysala temple, Hoysala architecture in Belur, Halebeedu, Hassan district in South Karnataka.
Okay.
So I've been many times that place. Amazing temples. Vijayanagara people, the great inspiration of Hoysala architecture. But Hoysala temple, most of the temple, they made it of soft stone.
Soft.
The black stone, the soft stone. But Vijayanagara use local stone.
Okay.
But they make same copies here, but difficult on this rock. But they made super structure on these pillars. So these are Shila Shashana. Shila,
this is
Shila,
Kannada?
Shila means stone.
Okay.
Shashan means inscriptions. Okay.
Which language?
It's an old Kannada.
Acha.
I am unable to read on these sentences.
It is not
but I
Lipi
can
or something,
see-
huh?
I can read some of the word.
Acha.
I can say first letter Vitala Devaru.
Oh.
Okay, these are old languages.
Acha.
Also, you can see on the wall.
Okay.
These are inscriptions here.
Okay.
So, bronze inscriptions here, gold inscription here, and stone inscription.
Where is
This
the
Shila
gold and
Shasana.
bronze?
All in kept it in museum.
Acha.
Museum.
Museums.
रोज हम लोग 6-7 किलोमीटर चलते हैं.
तभी तो
बात
fit रहते
करके बात करता हूँ.
हाँ. No, but it is good, na?
Yeah. See, only thing is I don't know there's any, but
हाँ.
I'm okay. Especially these structure is this is so famous in social media. Sir.
हाँ.
From here to there, it's completely one stone. एक
अच्छा.
ही पत्थर है.
Okay.
इधर अलग अलग चीज दिखाता हूँ आपको. Just see this
हाँ.
frog है.
हाँ.
पानी में जंप कर रहे हो.
Okay.
Okay. And this one, you can see, just see this, Udap cobra, king cobra
Okay,
head,
okay,
king cobra head. I'm थोड़ा नीचे जा रहा हूँ. Ling and a nagaling,
Okay.
nag and ling, nagaling.
Okay.
And this one, the mother monkey, they give the babe for the milk.
Oh.
Mother
acha.
and the baby here.
Okay. Okay. Nice.
And one leg's on top, one leg down here, and tail is on top. Like Hanuman flying. And this one, you can see the snake.
Okay.
That is 100 pillars of hall that is supposed to be used for Sabha Mandapa. लोग बैठ के बात करने के लिए एक मंडप बना. ऐसा मंदिर हम पे में several temple है. On the side of the temple there is a mandapa here, and that is called Sabha Mandapa.
Sabha mandapa.
It used to be meeting hall. So only sabha करना उधर.
As a little bit, I am seeing symmetry with Mughal architecture also. They have
Because
this,
see,
है ना?
the influence हो गए sir. So I told you there is some foreign influence culture हो गए, Chinese हो गए, Persian हो गए, Islamic हो गए, and civil architecture. हम building कैसे बनाना, civil का होगा और military architecture, watchtower भी बनाया अच्छा. Beautiful. There are some armies all stand there, and they give the protection for the city.
This is the same gate we have entered.
No. We came on that gate.
Acha,
That is
acha.
the east gate,
Okay.
and that is the north gate.
Acha,
बंद हो गए.
okay.
So we came from the east, and then exit is south.
अच्छा. बुला लें इनको क्या? बोल दे.
Okay. Any
हाँ.
questions, sir?
नहीं सर ठीक है.
As per my knowledge, I'm.
अरे great sir.
Okay.